So today we got a 2015 Dodge Ram 1500. The customer brought in their truck. They really wanted to upgrade the lighting. We had an option to go with VLAND lights. A lot of people like them. They totally changed the look of the truck. And so today that's what we're going to do. We're going to put some new headlights on this by VLAND and then wire in and show you how to do that with the instructions.
Those look sick. Holy. Oh my gosh.
Alright, so we got some push tabs that we just got to pop here on the corners, tops. Just want to cover on those. 10 millimeters. Snap on. Snap off. Oh, I love it. So there's a push tab down there as well. Pop down. That popped off. Here, a couple tens. You got a 10 mil here, take the headlight out, and a 10 mil down here. Get the headlight out. Alright, so if you want to look inside here, you got to take this plate back and get your hand up in here. And there's a locking tab right here. It's going to be down like that. Just push it up and then the headlight will come forward and you'll be able to remove it. Oh yeah. Okay. There we go.
Yeah, the startup feature is blue, and then it turns white. That's so sick! Very good, very nice.
So I just want to give a shout out to VLAND, making another great, seamless, easy to install product. If it's something that you'd like to get done to your truck, we're here down in Houston at Shalom Auto Body. We can get that ordered for you and get it installed. As you can see, totally different look to your truck. It makes the Dodge look a lot newer, which a lot of customers really like.